Hi, welcome to Social Media Tech Thursday, and today I want to review a light that I use all the time. So there's no actual product name for it, so I'll put the link in the caption below, but I found it on Amazon and it's basically a ring light. So this is the ring light and it has a cell phone clip, a cell phone holder. So you clip your cell phone into here like this, and this is actually quite wide and it stretches a lot, so if you have a bigger phone it fits. This is your ring light, and what I really like about it is that this is really sturdy. It's super solid and you can twist it in all sorts of ways. And it comes with this big clip, so you clip this to your desk and it really stays there. It's a metal clip. It was 20 bucks on Amazon. Like, this is as cheap as it gets. And it doesn't have a battery, so it connects by a USB plug to your laptop. Or I figured, which is kind of not the best, but I figured you could probably use it with, if you have a portable USB charger, you could click it to charge it, like plug it into your portable USB charger and take it anywhere with you. So now it's really sunny in our Whistler studio today, so we're not gonna have the best example, but I'm gonna plug this in and I'm gonna show you. So say I have the ring light here and it has a little clicker, so you can adjust the strength of the light. So if I put it on, like, I'm gonna plug it on. Oops, it's facing the other way. Oh, there, wasn't plugged. Okay, so I plug it on. I don't know if you see the difference. And I really like the glow of this light, because a lot of time the ring lights are a blue light. This one is really kind of more goldish. And you can go so plus or minus. See, I don't know if you see the difference in the light. So you can adjust it to all sorts of glow and lights. For 20 bucks, that's pretty good. And I highly recommend it. So try it out. I'll put the link below. Thank you.